It is anyone's game in Bitcoin right now, and I understand if you are feeling uncertain. Hopefully, I can provide some clarity today as I provide you with a solid buy zone and resistance showing Bitcoin's next move. Guys, there's a lot to cover today. We're going over multiple time frames, multiple points of data, so pay close attention. And without further ado, how's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and as of today, we are 202 wins, 0 losses in the last 16 months. Now, if you are one of those traders that's feeling uncertain, be sure to watch our future forecast episode. We're providing 7 risk management plans based on current market uncertainty that will bring you peace about what to do next. Guys, this last bear market had me going crazy. I never knew when the price was about to go up or when it was going to go down. The uncertainty was killing me, but risk management was what really helped me pull through, have those diamond hands, and kept us going on until the bull market. You do not want to miss this episode of our future forecast because these risk management plans are really going to put you at ease no matter where we're at in the market. I'll show you how to access that later on in the video, but I want to dive into the analysis today. We're looking at Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame, trading with the TC top and bottom finder, trades in favor, and price versus money flow indicators. First up, I want to talk about this buy zone. If we click on this rectangle, we're seeing structure support anywhere between $50,500 and $47,000. There is a lot of structure support in this area, and Travis is going to show you a little bit more data in the future forecast as to why this buy zone is so important. And it has a lot to do with futures liquidation prices. This is our absolute worst case scenario, and if the price drops into the buy zone, this could be one of the best positions you could possibly get for your future in Bitcoin. From there, we also have structure resistance sitting between the values of $58,400 and $60,700. Guys, if we break $58,400 right here, this is going to be a crucial number because this would create a higher high. And this is important because we've been in a downtrend for quite some time, since pretty much the beginning of June here, and today is July 9th. We've seen a series of lower lows, lower highs over and over and over again. We've posted our last lower low. We saw a lower high, we got a higher low, and if we get a higher high breaking the resistance right here at that $58,400 level, this would mean we are back in an uptrend. It would also constitute a breakout above this descending resistance line, which we've gotten once before, but it ended up being rejected due to Germany selling its Bitcoin and the Mt. Gox redistributions. So this is going to be a major point of resistance. If we break $58,400, I think it's going to be an easy move up to that $60,000 level. That's why this resistance zone is so important. But we have a strong argument for either direction, and we have multiple other structure supports that we want to pay attention to. If I scroll out here, this line right here, along with the resistance up here and the flag pull down here, creates what's called a bull flag. And we've already gotten 3 touches at this level. This is highly bullish and most often will result in a move up for the breakout of the bull flag pattern. At the same time, if we pull a different support from here and here, going all the way down into our buy zone, and we use this resistance here, we get what's called a falling wedge pattern, which also is extremely bullish, breaking out at about the same expected point as the bull flag. Another highly bullish point of data. This is not even to mention the fact that on the daily time frame here, and we're going to be looking at the weekly, so don't worry, price versus money flow is low, with money moving into the market while the price is dropping. This is called bullish divergence, and downtrends cannot be supported without whale money. Downtrends cannot continue if whales continue buying, because where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So as whale money continues buying this dip, it's more likely that we're going to see prices increase. At the same time, the trades in favor has pushed all the way into the long trade zone, showing an 87% chance of a pump, meaning that this downward momentum has run out and we're likely to bounce back to the upside. And we've got a strong buy signal, all three of which create what's called the bullish trifecta. And most often, this is going to result in moves up. Highly bullish on the 1 day. And if we head to the 1 week time frame, we're going to zoom out quite a bit here. And we're going to make sure we're on the logarithmic time frame here. This is important. I'm going to take a horizontal line and find the value of 30. And I want you to pay attention. Every time Bitcoin touches on or very near the value of 30 on this line, this is where Bitcoin is seeing really big moves up in the market very consistently. Price versus well money flow touching at or below 30. We'll see crazy moves up in the market. And guys, check this out. We are touching that line right now on the weekly time frame. This to me is going to be highly bullish in today's market. Now, at the same time, we see a 60% chance of a pump. This is highly bullish, and remember, there is a little bit of a buy zone here. I don't want you to be caught off guard. There is still a possibility of a move down into that buy zone. And if we move down into that buy zone, on the 1 week time frame, once again, we're actually going to see a much lower potential move down into the trades in favor, possibly even showing a long trade zone reading. And if we get a buy or strong buy signal on the weekly time frame as well, this will create the bullish trifecta. And the last time we saw the bullish trifecta on the weekly time frame, the price of Bitcoin moved up 180%. Now, we're not quite looking for that. We first have to break our main resistance structure between 58,400 and 60,700. But if we manage to break that, guys, it is on and we can expect some crazy moves to the upside. This is why overall we are highly bullish. The 1 week time frame showing that we are below 30. We see a huge buy zone full of liquidity for the taking. We see a falling wedge pattern. We see a bullish flag pattern. And if we break our current price pretty much any higher than we already are, we've created a higher high after a higher low. And this is also going to break this descending resistance. And guys, this is going to be a crazy move up, especially with the bullish divergence playing out now. Worst case, once again, is a move down to 47,000 or 50,500 in this range. Anywhere in here, I guarantee whales are going to be buying up like crazy. And we will likely be too. And of course, we're going to keep everyone updated in our membership, in our future forecast videos when we decide to enter back into the market. And I shouldn't say enter back into the market. We're actually holding no matter what. I'm just going to give that information away for free. We're holding no matter what, but we may buy in more, as we'll show in the future forecast if we drop to those levels. Now, I want you to have these indicators loaded up on your chart to make sure you do not miss the next move on Bitcoin, especially as we're tracking the weekly time frame. And as a member, you're also going to get up to $550 off with the indicator coupon codes. Members are going to get access to the future forecast, trade setups, metrics across 40 coins, morning brew overviews, and the Inner Circle live Zoom hangout. Links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the first link. Go ahead and click that, and it's going to bring you to our membership page. Full access, $65 a month, and everything I just showed you and more is yours. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and once you have your membership, head to the second link for our indicator page. Members, your first $150 off can be found with the coupon code at this link. And once you have that, click Pro Indicator Pack, go ahead and scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the membership today for that brand new future forecast episode. Don't miss out.